Hey, get under there, brother. Yeah.
What was it like? Huh? I can't come all the way to Wales, Aber Falls, yeah, and not go inside. Look at this. Yeah, Ringo Vision. I'm doing it for the team. Yeah. Listen, Aber Falls World. Good vibe. You know what's going on. Guy's part of the togetherness camp. Look, he's look at this guy. Look, look, we're walking up here, yeah, all the way out here, and there's not. We're in the,
Love my bro.
look,
Nice fucking to see you.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look, you guys could just check this out on Ringo Vision YouTube.
Alright, Sam, man.
Yeah,
We'll do when we get back. See you later, boys.
all right, bit of technology here, everybody. This is the machine here that they've probably got up here. What's it like? We're here at the foot of the waterfall. Come on, can't get better than this, everyone, yeah? Come on. One love each and every one of you. A good vibe. Yes, people, what I go and pick up yourself. Let me tell you what I go on right now. Ringo Vision Bar Wheels. A good vibes, man. What do you say? What's that for breakfast?
Don't worry about it.
No, tell them what you're having for breakfast, fam.
Burger King. You know what's going on.
If you was hungry, what would be your last resort for breakfast? I sure know what M that would have as a last resort for breakfast.
Mine would be Burger King. I'm not really on that still, not for breakfast.
Yo, people are good vibes. Gonna show you something good and nice today. Yeah, man, we're gonna vlog Wales. That is it. We're outside. One more time, pound them, you know. Now we're going to a place called Abergwyngregy. You understand? The names them down in Wales. I know normal name. It coming like foreign names, but a good vibe.
Abergwyngregy.
Yeah.
So in Bangor.
And we're going to Bangor.
Sounds like
Yeah, man. But I tell you, say a place beautiful. I can't wait to jump out of car, people. Yeah. Don't come off with this video. You know what going on.
Bro, I swear, you see last night, yeah, Ringo?
Yeah.
We said, alright, people them look really nice. I said, I'll do some meet and greets. The whole club queued up for a photo. I took a picture of the whole club.
The whole club. Yeah. That's line up, man.
Circuit.
A good vibe.
A good vibes.
Welsh cake, jam split, panani.
Alright, jump out upon them car. Look at yes, people, yeah, man, with our Wales, yeah. That's how the good vibes looked. Burger King, me general, right, yeah, so. A good vibes.
Look, he's chilling. Look, he's got his Burger King.
That is it.
That's the thing, he's happy. You don't even want to chat to man right now. He's like, yeah, alright, cool.
That is it. You know my style already, car. It's when me outside, me just outside. And yeah, man, keep watching this video, yeah, because excitement I go on today are good vibes. No, I want to go on top of this hilltop here, you know, look. On top of this hilltop, look. Looks like there's, yeah, man, a nice sightseeing up there, so. That is it. So that's a bus, the first bus that I've seen in Wales going to Bognor. That is it. Menu outside. Cafe Alma.
Yeah. gonna get.
Right, so I've just come into the cafe. You know my style already, people. Yeah, it's crazy.
What's your bet? One cheese and tomato, one salami. Which one?
What's he doing?
Ringo.
Photographs of everything this lad is.
No,
I have to vlog. This is my first time in Wales, and I need to show people what a wonderful place it is.
Oh my God, thank you very much.
Yeah.
He does YouTube.
So where are you from then?
Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So a
So
lot of well, I don't know if it's Jamaica. So
one salami,
salami, yeah.
one cheese and tomato.
another cheese and tomato.
2 cheeses tomato,
Onion and tomato. And this is called a panini, right?
yeah. Panini. That is.
This is a hard one, I think.
That's yours, yeah.
Thank you very much.
You never had a panini before?
I'm gonna have one now.
This is your first one ever?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what an experience. I wish it was my first one.
Is it?
Your first girlfriend made that one.
I'm gonna cut mine in half.
That's what you meant to do. Let me do your workshop. Go on. Actually, what's your name?
Ringo.
Ringo.
You go on.
You meant to cut them like that, Ringo, for some reason.
Go on.
Aren't you?
What is it?
No, seriously now.
Now go on. Do it for me then.
So what are you doing here at Ringo?
He's an artist and he performed last night.
Where were you? Hendrick.
Trilogy nightclub in Bangor.
Say again.
Trilogy nightclub in
Oh,
Bangor.
okay. What sort of stuff are you doing?
Reggae.
Reggae, dub, ballet. Dub, reggae.
More of like a and other stuff as well. Like more the kind of bit more up tempo.
Okay.
Bit of drum and bass as well.
I like more electric music.
Okay.
I'll put a bit on for you now. How's that? I'll be DJ today, okay? I'm MJ, you're DJ. I'm Michael Jones. Are you a DJ?
No.
Okay.
Can you speak to me in Welsh?
Please.
It's one of them. It's hard because you've got to be speaking to somebody.
I understand, yeah.
Sean speaks Welsh, so I'll speak with him later.
Yeah.
Only about you behind your back, okay?
Yeah. Like we are climbing up the mountain right now in our Wales, people. Yeah, man, look here, man. Look, what a nice place, people, yeah. What waterfall this one. Climb up. Yes, people, so our good vibes. So we're just driving up the top of the mountain now just to get some parking. You understand? Destination, we soon reach there. Seems like we reach a spot where this is where everybody parks up. So our good vibe, we're gonna park up, people, yeah, and take the next part of the journey. Our good vibes. All honesty right now, it's a very beautiful place. We've managed to come here. It's the end of summer. Summer's finished. We're in October, everybody, yeah. And the sightseeing and where we are is absolutely amazing. But guess what, Guan? It's a 2-hour walk to our destination to get to where this waterfall is. I'm in Wales, by the way, everybody, yeah. So good vibes, big up yourself. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision, people, yeah. You don't know what, Guan. We're outside today. Something different for the channel. Big up, we've fed 8,101 people so far on our journey, people, yeah? That is it, we've done absolutely amazing. Let's try and get to at least 10,000 people by Christmas, you understand? And let's kick off our journey and let's plan our route for 2025 to feeding the million, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man, Ringo Vision down wheels today. A good vibes, enough water, you can hear the water in the background. That is it. One love, everybody, yeah? I'm going to be showing you around and showing you the environment. I'm in a beautiful nature environment, enough water. Let me show you what I want, good vibes. I just think in life, you can't get much better than this. An environment that's so lush, so beautiful, and running water. This is actually water that's running. You understand? To be living around here and living in a place like this is absolutely amazing. It's life's gift, people, yeah? One love. Let's keep moving. We have to keep on moving. Hey. We can't stop what we are doing. Hey, just keep on with that mission. Ringo vision out to heal the nation, yeah. And me tell the people, them say we have to get together now. Don't fight me, don't fight yourself no more. Hey, we have to keep on moving. In this we will we there together. So we have to keep on moving. Ringo vision. Yeah man, our good vibes, you know people. I mean, I tell you, say we have to keep on moving because we're out in our life right now. And we just try the sightseeing. Yeah, our good vibes. Yes people, so we're there, so now we're there Wales and look at sightseeing. Come in because we're there. Waterfall and all may I drink a little bit of water, but when you see around me a whole heap of water, that is it. You know what I'm saying? What's your views on the place so far?
It's beautiful, man. Feel like I'm in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally.
Done a yard.
Feel like I'm in yard, just a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A good vibe.
These are the places where you need to. I was just sitting thinking, these are the places you need to come and write some lyrics.
Yeah.
You write some song in another place there.
A good vibe.
Yeah, trust me, bro.
Cuzzy, what you saying?
Outside, man, living, you know what I'm saying? Enjoying this freedom.
Outside.
The view, you know what I'm saying? It's fresh water.
That is it.
Going out here.
Yeah.
Good vibe.
Alright, so this is where we're Aber Falls walk. You understand? 2 miles, you understand? And a little bit to walk up. So the waterfall's quay up. We are Chad people, yeah. A good vibes. Big up yourself. Welcome to Wales, everybody. Nah, this is absolutely amazing. Wait, we ain't even reached up yet, but we reached.
Sure. Yeah. So they all lead back to the same.
Yeah.
Right.
And this is where we've reached, and we're continuing our journey and we're continuing our walk up the mountains. What a nice sightseeing so far. Yeah man, a good vibes. Look at these gates. That is it. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah. Everyone's out today on this amazing walk. Give thanks for Wales, people, yeah? It has such a beautiful nature side to it. The waters, the trees, the plants, and just listening to the harmony of just what's around us is absolutely amazing. Yeah man, just stay on the journey because we're climbing the mountain right now, and it's said to be that there's an amazing waterfall at the top, so that's where we're going, people. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys in and around the place as we're outside just traveling. You understand? It's a beautiful place so far. It kind of reminds me back home of Jamaica with all the sightseeing. So as we know, we travel different parts of the world, places are going to remind us like home. You understand? Our good vibes. Big up yourself. Guy's part of the togetherness camp. Look, look at this guy. Look, look, we're walking up here, yeah, all the way out here, and there's not. We're in the.
Love my bro.
Nice man, nice fucking to see you. That's like.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look, you guys could just check this out on Ringo Vision YouTube.
Alright, Sam, man.
Yeah,
We'll do when we get back. See you later, boys.
One love.
We got the lads.
It's him to get a bucket of water.
Got some water, cause you are.
Top up.
Man, I walk and they said 2 hours and minute and not juice.
Look, top up.
Yeah.
Look, I had a little sprinkle left.
They say top up. Yeah, man.
Alright, bit of technology here, everybody. This is the machine here that they've probably got up here. It's solar panelled as well. As you can see, it's right here in the middle of this place where we are, and it's recording the weather. It actually here records the weather. They've got a little box in there that probably does data recording inside of here. It preserves the weather and all them kind of things there. Our good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're back on the journey, people. You've probably seen one of these machines there in the movie Twister. Yeah. I knew that they had animals over here on the land. There were some sheep. That is it. What a beautiful place. Everyone out here is walking to get to the waterfall. We soon get there, people, yeah? Stay on the journey with us. Our good vibes. But look at that mountain in the background, everyone. Look at that landscape.
Stone. I wonder how many years that's been there.
I wonder how many years.
Imagine how many years that has been there, bro. That is rocking to the ground, blood.
Proper stone.
Thousands of years.
Look, proper original stone wall as well. Our good vibes. So what was here on this land before?
Yeah.
Must have been something here thousands of years ago.
Come down off the mountain.
I'm trying to get as close as I can to the sheep, just so that we can get some nice visuals, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. I'm just trying to be humble. He spotted me. He's taking his little time, but you know, say Ringo Vision, I come out just for trouble him. Yes, everybody, look how fat and next one, this will get up. A good vibe. So we're here. What a beautiful place. I don't know if, let me be silent. See if you can hear the water and the natural sounds. You can hear a few people's voices in the background as well. Yeah, man, good vibes. What a wonderful day. Rastafari have me on the journey of life. What an experience. Let me tell you about the life that we're living. Look at the waterfall. You see it in the background, in the distance I'm traveling to. Hey, one love, people. Wow. Wow, everybody. This mountain is so steep. Now, couldn't it be? It'll be difficult to climb this. When you reach there, so.
You can see all the stones that have just fallen down.
Man, look, we're right here at the mountain foot. Right there, so people, look.
Any one of them can drop at any time.
Nah, they not jump, man. Nah. Look, we've got the waterfall there in the background. Wow, this is amazing. Let's go. People, I told you that we've got something to show you today, yeah? This is the whole purpose that we're all on this journey. Don't go nowhere, yeah? Just lock in. Lock in yourself, man. Yeah? Share the video. You understand? Remember, say we've fed 8,101 people so far on the journey, yeah? But today is something different for you guys. You understand? You can see that there's a lot of people. They've already coming from where we're heading to. You understand? Our good vibes. Good vibes. How was the trip, guys? How was it? Good? Good, nice. It was good, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. That is it. Them say it good, people, so just stay up on the journey. All right, so look, it's got a fence here. Can't cross it here. All right, so this part of, I could see why they've locked off this part, just in case people wanted to trod. Look at all these rocks here. Maybe some of these rocks come stumbling down at points when there's windy weathers and things like that. You understand? But Look, same way. Look, I'm so very, very close to these sheep that are just eating grass right now. This is nature at its finest. You understand? And they're all marked and labelled. As you can see that every sheep is marked and labelled with some form of greeny, bluey paint. But our good vibes people, we're out here, Sedway, we're in Wales. You understand? Look at that sheep there rubbing himself. Yeah. Look at him, rubbing up himself, yeah, scratching his back. Big boy, big daddy that up there, you know, look, having a good old scratch. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Welcome to Wales, people, yeah? So, yeah, man. Take a different route. Look at the waterfall. Oh, my days. Wow. Wait there, we're getting there. 1 second, people, 1 second. Don't go away. Look, the mountain is here. We're right here. We've been climbing. There's loads of stones all about the place. All right, the place is absolutely amazing. But look here, man. Look at this, man. Wow. We're gonna get as close to this as we can, everybody, yeah? We've been bopping. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah. This landmass is sectioned off here because at every little checkpoint we go through a gate, so you know that you're sectioned in a point. And then look, we come through these gates here. Remember the last one with the stones? And then we did pass a couple others before that, but I didn't record it. But then we're in another little section. You understand? That's kind of ringed off. You've got the mountainside over there. Wow. We've got some sheep that are here. People are also just stopping to have a look, you understand? There's a lot of people out here. Come out. You understand? So good vibes. Eh? Yeah, I'm active. Can't lie, we've reached, yeah? We're getting closer and closer and closer, yeah? The atmosphere feels so cool. A little light breeze atmosphere up here. It's like a proper little charge. You understand? There's nothing around us. You understand? Just natural water. You understand? And nature. You understand? The good, very, very, very good vibration up here, people. Yeah, when we say a good vibes, did you get some good shots today?
Yeah,
yeah, nice. All right, a good vibes. I'm trying to get some beautiful shots as well for you guys, you understand? Big up everybody watching this on YouTube. Welcome to the journey, everybody. If you've just started on the journey, this video is all for you guys. You know that we're out normally cooking, feeding the homeless, but wow, look behind me. Let's go, let's go. Such a breeze, everyone. Such a nice, natural breeze. Listen, I know we're out here, but I feel like it's a proper blessing, people, yeah, to be where I am right now. You understand? So, we're traveling together. We're going over there, people, yeah. Call it. I can see the thing. Yeah, man, wow. Look at that. Wow, look at that. I'm going over there, 1 second. Let me put the phone away and come and cross over.
Say again. mad thing, people. Whole side fully active, you hear that? Have I got pictures here?
Alright, so I went crossing over people, yeah. I went to go and get cousins. Jump on this one. That one there, come. Yeah, they come. Light red. Yeah, light red, quickly. Yes, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So climbing these rocks now. That is it. Mate, what was it like? What was it like? Huh? Yeah. You wish you'd done it now, innit? That's it. That's it. Yeah, good. A bit of spirit. Look, we're here, people. Yeah, man, that is it. We're here at the foot of the waterfall. Come on. Can't get better than this, everyone, yeah? Come on. One love each and every one of you. A good vibe. Ringo Vision made it to Aber Falls, people, yeah? I'm here in Wales, Aber Falls. I've made it. Look at that. Wow.
You going in?
Money too much. Now, sideways, I can't come all the way to Wales, Aber Falls, yeah, and not go inside. Look at this. Yeah, Ringo Vision. I'm doing it for the team. Yeah, this is for all of us. Yeah, big up yourself. You must subscribe after this, people. Let's get to 20K.
No fact. You know what I'm saying?
Come on.
Go under the thing. Hey, get under there, brother. Yeah. Bismillah. Come on, you're back. How you feeling, my boy?
Good vibes.
Good vibes?
It's too for the show, yeah.
It looks majestic, my
Running
brother.
through my body.
I feel you.
Yeah.
The electric.
End up. You can't come out and place and don't do this. Aber Falls.
Feel that natural
This is
energy.
big.
The natural energy.
Huh? My body's charged up. I'm not
get
even
me?
cold yet, it's just charged.
M-Dot's doing the
I swear, it's
swag
not even
thing.
cold yet, it's just
Alright,
charged
M-Dot's in.
Wow.
He's involved. That's what I
Huh?
like to see, my boy.
Look,
You know what I'm saying?
look, fam, look, my body is
Yeah.
charged.
Come on, my
Look,
boy.
it's peak. And the energy that's running through my thing right now, yeah, is not a joke.
Yeah.
Look, there's static running off of man.
Come
It's
on,
like
bro.
electric.
Yeah.
Mad,
You know this.
mad. Listen, I'm going a whole next lifetime, people. Let's go.
Hey. You know this.
I take one little dip, you know?
No, get everything off.
Yeah, everything.
Get everything off. Look, I swear, yeah, when you dip,
M-Dot.
you feel the chill, but when you come out, it's not even cold, bro. I
Trust.
swear to you, it's not even a cold thing.
Yeah, it's not even a cold thing. Right now, yeah, pal, yeah. The thing that's being off on them, yeah. You going there, bro?
I don't know about myself.
Yes, people, Amber Falls, we did it. Look where the goats are, show them the goats. Come on, fam. Oh shit. This is where man done it.
Cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing goes.
You know, put your foot in.
So you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing goes. Hey, Ringo Vision. Yeah, live and ready. Earth's energy. See it? The man I'm charging for real. Man I'm charging for real.
Listen, Amber Falls World, good vibes, you know what's going on. MBT, 25, nothing but trappers, nothing but tugs, nothing but truth.
Come on outside. You see it, you know how the thing go already. You get me? Amber Falls Wells, you see it? Wow, look in the background here, there's like the sea right there, look, you can see it right there in the background, everyone, yeah? But we're right here, Amber Falls, yeah man, our good vibes.
So thank you very much. This is what I want to show you, we're right here at the sea in Wales, Amber Falls. We've done the walk through the mountain, everybody here, we're going to do the walk back down as well, everybody here. Pick up yourself, you've done how the thing goes. Stay tuned on the vlog. Our parts of Wales, so you understand? On the way home and all that people here. But we did it today. Pick up yourself, 24 hours, 6 people there. Amber Falls, Wales, good vibes.
Sorry lads, I'm just there past.
What's it like? What's it like?
That is it. That's what I'm saying. Everyone's coming out here, and who feels to get a blessing came and got a blessing today. Look at the blessing, everybody, yeah? Look at this blessing. That is it. Good vibes. One love, everybody, yeah? Amber Falls Wells. It's still got such a beautiful scenery. Look at that. This is where the water's running from. Yes, man. We did it, and look. I'm all static right now, people. I'm walking, but I'm electrified. You understand? Look, the goat. Mountain climbing. Wow, look at that. Get as much visuals as I can on the way back until we get back to the car, my rucksack, to charge up. I'm on like 10%, but we'll capture the sightseeing on the way back down. We're going a different journey, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. It's been absolutely amazing today. You understand? This sightseeing. Our good vibes, beautiful weather as well. Yeah man, so we're back in the car, we're going over this bridge here. What the bridge called, that?
Port. What is it called again? Maybe there'll be another side.
Use the left lane to take exit 8A towards the
Britannia,
A545.
something. Britannia Bridge. You know?
Cause you say a good day down by
Good day.
Take the exit, then take the first
Waterfall,
left on
waterfall.
4th Abergwyngregy.
Real energy.
Come on.
vibes.
Good vibration.
Proper experience.
Look at that person there standing up on top of
Use
that
the
tower
left
there in the
lane to turn
background.
onto 4th Abergwyngregy.
Yes, people, one love, big up yourself. We're back in the vehicle, yeah? Yes, the waterfall was absolutely amazing. You understand? Look out for the next vlog here in Wales, people, yeah? That is it, a good vibe. We're outside.
Not buying that. I said something.